Are you curious about your team's productivity and how each member is performing against their goals? Nutshell's activity reports have you covered. This overview will show you how to make the most of these reports to keep an eye on your team's progress. You'll find three main parts under the activity reports section in Nutshell: the chart, the summary, and activities. To get started with the chart, simply select the date range you're interested in seeing. You can choose from the options on the right or create a custom date range. Then, use the filter options at the top to refine your results. You can segment your report by user, activity type, or lead outcome. Choose which users or teams you want to report on and specify an activity type. You can also decide whether to include emails and notes in your activity report. The Activity Outcomes chart shows how many interactions your team has logged with leads in relation to their outcomes. This chart helps you visualize the effort needed from your team to win a lead. The Summary section displays all of your logged activities by team member and type. If you have activity quotas configured in your account, you can compare the number of activities a team member has completed against their quota. You can also see the percentage of each user's progress towards their goal. Finally, the Activities section is where you can really dive into the specific tasks your team members have completed. This section shows a running list of every activity your team members log in Nutshell, including any notes with associated people, companies, and leads. When your report looks just right, make sure to click Save in the top right-hand corner so you can easily share it with anyone on your team. You can also download your data in a spreadsheet. With Nutshell reporting, you can easily see who's moving the needle for your company. Happy nutshelling!